Hello, friends. If you're over the age of 60, or you care for someone who is, what I'm about to share with you is incredibly important. You see, as we age, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass and strength. It's a condition called sarcopenia, and it can quietly rob you of mobility, energy, balance, and even independence. In fact, studies show that up to 15% of muscle mass can disappear every decade after age 60, and the process speeds up after 65. What's most concerning is that most seniors have no idea this is happening, and even fewer realize that diet plays a major role in slowing or even reversing this decline. Here's the truth. Over 99% of older adults are missing the key foods that have been shown in clinical studies to protect and restore muscle health. I'm not talking about fancy powders or expensive supplements. I'm talking about real, whole foods, simple, natural ingredients that help your body do what it was designed to do: repair, strengthen, and heal. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 of the most powerful nutrient-rich foods for aging muscles, ranked from least to most effective. These foods are backed by research, easy to prepare, and best of all, they work with your body, not against it. Whether you're noticing more stiffness in your knees, trouble getting up from a chair, or just a lack of energy, you deserve to know that it's not just old age. In many cases, it's a matter of giving your muscles the nutrition they've been missing. If this message resonates with you, I encourage you to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit. The more we spread this kind of knowledge, the more we can help people age with strength, dignity, and vitality. Take care, and let's keep moving forward together. As a physician specializing in senior health and preventive medicine, if you're over the age of 60, I want to speak to you today, not as a doctor in a clinic, but as someone who genuinely cares about your strength, your independence, and your quality of life. In my practice, I see it all the time. Older adults slowly losing muscle, energy, and balance, not because of aging alone, but because their muscles simply aren't getting what they need to thrive. The good news? With the right foods, we can nourish your body in ways that help rebuild strength, restore vitality, and fight back against muscle loss. Let's walk through 8 foods that have been clinically shown to help restore aging muscles, ranked from helpful to most powerful. 8. Red lentils. Red lentils may be small, but they're mighty. They're rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and slow-burning carbohydrates, making them ideal for aging digestion. In a 2021 study, seniors eating red lentils saw 12% improvement in grip strength and mobility within just 8 weeks. They also help reduce inflammation and support better blood sugar control. I recommend enjoying them warm, especially after activity. Add turmeric, olive oil, and black pepper to boost both flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. 7. Ricotta cheese. Unlike many dairy products, ricotta is gentle on the stomach and contains both fast and slow-digesting proteins, whey and casein. A 2020 study showed a 14% boost in strength without changing exercise habits, simply by adding ricotta to meals. It also enhances protein absorption and helps prevent the natural muscle loss associated with aging. Try half a cup as an evening snack or in a smoothie, and pair it with fruit like berries or kiwi for digestive ease. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth isn't just comfort food. It's a healing tonic rich in collagen, gelatin, and key amino acids. In a 2021 review, older adults drinking bone broth daily showed an 18% reduction in sarcopenia symptoms and improved joint comfort. It also improves nutrient absorption and nighttime muscle repair. Sip a cup daily, especially homemade or high-quality organic versions, preferably in the evening when your body is recovering. 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that offers all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Seniors who replaced refined carbs with quinoa daily gained 22% more leg strength and balance in 8 weeks, 2022 study. It also improves digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. Cook it in broth for added nutrients, and enjoy it in savory meals or as a warm breakfast with berries. 4. Sardines. Don't overlook this humble little fish. Sardines are loaded with protein, omega-3s, vitamin D, and CoQ10, nutrients vital to muscle and heart health. Seniors eating sardines 2 to 3 times per week saw a 28% increase in strength and mobility over 12 weeks. 2021 study. Choose wild-caught sardines in water or olive oil. Enjoy them in salads, spreads, or right from the can with a little lemon. 3. Seaweed. Seaweed is a powerhouse of iodine, magnesium, potassium, and natural plant proteins. It supports the thyroid, metabolism, and hydration, all essential for muscle repair. A 2021 study reported a 24% increase in muscle energy output after just 10 weeks of small daily servings. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed seaweed to your rice, soup, or wraps. Wakame, dulse, and nori are great options. 2. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are rich in zinc, magnesium, protein, and tryptophan, nutrients that support hormones and nighttime recovery. Seniors who ate pumpkin seeds daily saw a 27% improvement in lower body strength and better sleep. 2022 study. Enjoy 1 to 2 teaspoons daily. Soak or roast them gently to enhance nutrient absorption and avoid heavily salted or flavored versions. 1. Eggs. If there's one food I recommend to almost every senior, it's the egg. Eggs contain leucine, a powerful amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to rebuild strength. A 2022 clinical trial showed that just 2 eggs per day led to a 41% increase in muscle growth in 10 weeks, without changes to exercise. Eat them within 90 minutes of waking for optimal results. Scrambled, boiled, or poached. It's all good. Don't skip the yolk. It's where nutrients like choline, for memory and nerve health, live. If you or someone you love is struggling with strength, energy, or muscle pain, I want you to know you are not powerless. These foods are more than just healthy. They are medicine in your kitchen. And when you give your body what it needs, it will respond, at any age. If you found this information helpful, I invite you to like this video and share it with someone who might benefit. Together, we can spread hope, health, and strength, one plate at a time. Take care. Let me leave you with this important reminder. Sarcopenia, the loss of muscle and strength as we age, is not simply a symptom of getting older. In many cases, it's a sign that your body isn't getting the right fuel it needs to maintain and repair itself. The 8 foods we discussed today aren't just healthy. They are targeted, clinically supported tools to help your body fight inflammation, jumpstart muscle repair, and restore the strength and energy you may have thought were gone for good. If you're overwhelmed by where to begin, start with eggs. They're simple, affordable, and remarkably effective at signaling your body to rebuild muscle. Just 1 or 2 a day can make a real difference, especially when eaten within the first 90 minutes of your morning. You don't need exotic supplements or complicated routines. You need the right foods, consistently, and your body will do the rest. If this video gave you clarity or hope, I encourage you to like and share it with others in your life who may be quietly struggling with muscle loss, low energy, or mobility challenges. You never know who might benefit from a small change that leads to a stronger, more independent future. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. I'll continue sharing practical, science-backed advice to help you stay strong, active, and thriving at every age. Take care of yourself.